Welcome to Quark Expeditions Ultramarine Owner Suite Unit 617 on board this beautiful vessel. My name's Jackie, this is our video, and I'm a luxury travel advisor and polar expert with Prince Adventures. Entering, you can see this beautiful sitting area, and of course powder room, which is lovely if you're having guests or you're sharing the suite with a friend. It's a great room, very spacious at 46 square meters, close to 450 square feet, with lots of luxury amenities. Look at this beautiful sitting area as well, and specialized designated coffee station for your suite. Entering the bedroom, you can see each bed can be separated in two twins or as one king bed together, and this is on embarkation day, so you can see the luggage mats put out on the beds. A huge walk-in closet and getting ready area, perfect with all your storage needs. A bathtub, large vanity, enclosed water closet, and large spacious shower. Prince Adventures, we are polar experts, and we are here to support all your expeditions to Antarctica or the Arctic North. This suite is lovely and includes complimentary amenities like binoculars on loan for the voyage, upgraded Wi-Fi, laundry service, and more. Contact us today by emailing travel@princeadventures.com.